Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is on this look right here. It is inspired by pumpkin spice. I'm a sucker for pumpkin spice. By the end of fall, I'm typically sick of it. Let me know what else you guys want to see fall tutorial wise in the comments down below. But in the meantime, enjoy this look inspired by the pumpkin season.
Wrong, but I kept going to show I was strong, pushing to my own.
So starting off, I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes with my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot, and then making sure to not get that on my lashes since I do have eyelash extensions, and I do have a video all about that that I uploaded last week, so check that out. And then I'm hopping into my Love in Paris palette from NYX, and I'm taking the matte flesh tone shade in the palette, and I am setting that to where all of our colors blend out nicely. Now jumping into my Sugarpill eyeshadow, and I can't remember the name of it, but I will put it in the description box for you. And I'm just going to buff this into my crease area and blow this out so it's nice and smoky because I want everything to be nice and blended. And then for our crease, I'm going in with my Stilazzi eyeshadow in MS46, and it's kind of like a rust orangey brown color, and I'm taking it on a flat fluffy brush, and I'm putting it just below the Sugarpill eyeshadow, just to kind of create that gradient effect. And I'm also putting it in my outer V just to keep that area a little bit darker and a little bit more bold. Then for my lid color, I'm going into Game Face from Colourpop, and it's a really pretty like bronze orange tone metallic shadow, and I wet down my brush to where this would be ultra metallic, and this is going to go from inner corner to outer corner and from lashes to my crease, and I'm keeping that edge pretty harsh, and then I'm just going to soften it with a blending brush afterwards. Then I'm going to go in and line my tight line with my Ulta Automatic Brown eyeliner. And then I'm just going to brush away any shadow that got into my eyelash extensions to where I don't have any fallout on my foundation. Then going in with my Nivea Men's Post Shave Balm, I'm just going to apply that all over my face as my face primer today. Now for my foundation, I'm going in with my Revlon Color Stay 24-Hour Foundation, and I haven't used this one in a hot minute. I didn't really realize how pale it made me, so I did a heavy load of bronzer for this. This must be my winter shade, but I'm doing a pretty thin coat of this because I want my freckles to still shine through my foundation. Then for concealer, I'm using my Maybelline Age Rewind, and I'm highlighting / concealing my nose, my under eye, and my chin just to brighten up those areas and kind of add more structure to our face. And I'm just buffing that out with a complexion brush. Then to set all of that, I'm going in with my Ben Nye Colorless Luxury Powder, and I'm just going to pack that underneath my eyes with a dry Real Technique sponge. I have found this is my favorite technique for getting my concealer to last and look flawless and not crease throughout the day. So if you haven't tried it, I suggest you do. And I did put it a little bit on the other areas as well, whatever was left over. And then for the rest of my face, I'm using my CoverGirl Loose Powder, and I'm just packing this into my foundation just to add a tiny bit more coverage, matte out my foundation to where it goes with kind of our matte theme, since we're doing so much shine on our lips and eyes and everything for this look. And for bronzer today, I'm using my Too Faced Milk Chocolate Bronzer, and I'm first using a small brush to chisel out my cheekbone area, kind of like a contour, but more like a bronzing, just to kind of add some warmth, a little bit more structure, but I don't want to chisel it out quite as harsh as what a contour would. And then I'm just going to buff out my temple area, and then I'm going in with a bigger brush, and I'm going to put this on my jawline and my neck to help deepen everything up. Then going in with my blush from Milani in Luminoso, I'm just going to pat that onto my cheeks to add a little bit more color. And I like this because it's not necessarily shiny, but it's got a little bit of a sheen to it, so it adds a little bit more of like a healthy look to our skin. And then I'm going in with my highlighter from The Balm, and I am just going to dust that over my cheekbones, my nose, my chin, and my brow bones. Then I'm going back into our eyeliner from before, and I'm lining my waterline. And the reason why I did this a little bit later is because I do want to smoke this out into my eyeshadow. I'm going to pull it out, so I want it to be fresh. And I'm going in with the same palette, very dark matte brown shadow, and I'm buffing out my eyeliner with a little smudging brush, and I'm going to extend it in my outer corner. So it's kind of acting like a shadow wing in a sense. This is our coffee to our pumpkin spice latte. That's how I created my makeup. It's like, that's the pumpkin, then this is our whipped cream. I'm going into my little quad eyeshadow palette from Maybelline. I'll put the name of it in the description box, but this is like a yellowy shimmer shadow, and I'm just popping that in my inner corner. And then I'm going in for a quick coat of mascara from my Rimmel Lash Accelerator mascara. And I'm not doing a whole lot on my extensions. This is more so just to deepen up where they meet my lash line. And then I'm putting a good coat on my lower lashes to where my eyes look nice and big and open. Then for lips today, I'm using a new metallic lipstick from Lick. And I do have a discount for you guys in the description box, so make sure you use that when you order. But this is ridiculous how iridescent this is. I absolutely love it. I put a chapstick on before so it would last all throughout the day and not make my lips dry. But I can't remember the name of this one in particular, but it is from their new fall line, and hence why I'm doing a pumpkin spice themed makeup. But that is it for this look, guys. Something a little bit different than what I typically do on my channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I absolutely love how it turned out. And yeah, so just let me know what else you guys want to see fall look inspired. And I do have some Halloween looks coming up for you guys, so be on the lookout for that. Make sure you follow me on all my social media. I have Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Snapchat. All the names and links are in the description box for you guys, so they're easy access. And make sure you check out my previous video all about my extensions. That will also be linked below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!